Hey guys, welcome back to Master Designs. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a clone Charizard from Pokemon Mewtwo Strikes Back. Also from Mewtwo Strikes Back Evolution. If you must know, clone Charizard, it was an experiment created by Mewtwo. It was created by Mewtwo to prove that copies are even more powerful than the originals. I mean, wow, seriously. But anyways, let's see how this progresses, shall we? If you must know, he was also an experiment. He was the one who first. He also took on his original counterparts, Charizard, but we don't know that for sure. Anyways, when drawing a clone Charizard, you must start with the eye. Then you must start with the. Unlike the original Charizard, this guy has a pattern on his head. And there we go. Next up, here's his mouth. There we go. Next up, here's his mouth. Here's his teeth. There's his tongue. Now there's his head here. Next up, here's the neck here. And known fact about Charizard, his neck has stripes on it. There's his body. Next up, here's his leg here. There we go, there's his arm. There we go. There we go. There's his head. There's his arm here. There's the stripe here. Next up, here's his tail. You just gotta draw this part here. And be sure to draw the tail flame on his body. There's his wing. There we go. There we go. Hold on a second, this should be erased. There we go. And that is how you draw clone Charizard. Pretty interesting, huh? He looks exactly like in the Mewtwo Strikes Back movie. So, I know that Pikachu clone. I know that Blastoise, Pikachu, and Venusaur were also clones, but the way when I got this card, when I got this pack, it came with this special promo card that has Charizard as a clone. But I feel like this Pokemon should be included in the Pokédex and should be recognized as a new type of character in the new Pokemon series. Plus, it would be nice to see this Pokemon in one of the as a Pokemon evolution. But I gotta admit, Charizard is an awesome Pokemon. We got to see 2 Mega Evolved forms plus his Gigantamax form, and now this one we haven't seen in a while. I feel like this Pokédex should be updated just for the sake of it. Anyways, that's how you draw a Charizard clone. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll let you guys know what character I'll draw you guys next. Farewell!